pinks, no pinks. Walk it. Fire hydrant. China house. Jet cleaners. Big daddies. Sandwiches. Big J's. DeSalvo's, the Rambling Inn bar. King of Cuts Barbershop, very cute kids. It's a children's shop. I'm not too sure if they went out of business or they might have. Fuck Street. Fox. This is a smoke shop that got closed down by the state of New York for selling illegal marijuana on North James Street. Alterations. That's attorneys, criminal law. Frank Malace II and Joseph Malace. Although I've heard the police call him Malachi. Maybe that's how it's pronounced. Peterson's Pet Store. For all your pet's needs. Open Monday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. There used to be a pottery business right here, which is next to the police station, right over there. But they went out of business. Kind of sad. I thought it was a unique business. This is the lot where the old Peterson's Pet Store used to be, but it caught fire. So they demolished it. And since then it's been for sale. The city was going to turn it into a parking lot, but that fell through. Probably asking too much money for it. TP brake and muffler. That's the county courthouse. The Popo station. I believe this is called the Wilson Justice Building. The last time I remember snowbanks even being this close in height was probably about 5 years ago. But these are a lot taller than the ones 5 years ago. Daniel Wilson. The city court is also in this building. That's the city Christmas tree. I think that's Court Street. Court Street. Which got hit pretty hard on July 16th. Excuse me. This is the Veterans Memorial Park on North James Street, and I don't know why they don't plow it. Looks like one of their fire trucks just pulled in or pulled out. I keep forgetting there's no school tomorrow because of President's Day. That's why there's a lot of idiots out tonight. They should be home doing homework. But hey, what public school hands out homework anymore? Is it any wonder why our kids are so far behind in math, science, the arts? And the idiot in front of me is as drunk as can be. He almost got hit by 3 cars already. He's just wobbling all over the place, zigzagging. He is definitely drunk, or he's on drugs. In Rome, New York, you'd never know. Looking down the boulevard. Snowplows are going to be busy until probably Thursday, maybe Friday morning. I'd stop in at Arby's, but I think they're closed. This right here is Floyd Avenue. Okay. Could have rode the bike, but I just wanted to take a walk. Good for the legs. Look at the size of the snowbank. That snowbank is easily 15 feet. I mean, good God. That's American Pie. Italian pizza restaurant. Pizza and Del.